So since we are an agricultural country, so we found out na isa sa problema ng mga farmers is ang post-production losses. So bale dahil diyan is like yung farmers if mag-harvest na sila, if mag-ani na sila, may uncertainty sa kanila na baka wala silang buyer or wala silang direct market, guaranteed market access. Wala silang buyer. Magbabaka sakali sila na may bumili sa kanila.
Hmm.
So what we're trying to solve is that. So what if may breach na yung farmers and possible buyers and possible contractors? Through Tagpuan, meron kaming, one of our feature is a profile finder na page in which like there's a curated profiles of farmers. Then pwede yung contractors na mag-contract or possible na purchase order through sa farmer na yan through Tagpuan for easy transaction,
Yeah.
streamlined transaction.
Mm.